It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys an update on the Microsoft Direct Linking campaign I set up 2 days ago. Show you guys the results. Let's get it. Let's dive into our Microsoft ad account. There we go, right here. See the impressions for the day. We got no clicks. We got 1 click on this one. Aspirational supplement for $3.41. This one have 10 clicks. $5 per click. Today total I spent about $55. Received about 11 clicks total and 92 impressions. You can see today is the 6th, Saturday. Let's swing over to our click bank. See if we made any sales today. Whoops, wrong website. Log in. Let's go. Today is Saturday, November 6th. We made a $100 sale today. So let's go and see where we got the sale from. We're gonna click on Click Magic. As you can see, we received 1 sale for Aspirational. This is the keyword that got us the sale. Aspirational supplement, $100.05 off a mobile cell phone. A lot of people have been DMing me saying, how do I set this campaign up? I have a video I posted 2 days ago setting up this exact campaign direct linking. You will need Click Magic. I will leave that in the description below to go grab Click Magic because you need that to direct link on Microsoft. You cannot direct link on Google. Don't do it. You will get suspended right away. We're gonna look at our last 2 days. We're gonna put this from yesterday and today, just to see if we in profit for this campaign. Between the 2 days, I spent about $100 total. So far, we made $218. Calculator, simple math. You take the 218 I made total minus the $100 I spent. So far, we are up $118 this week. So we're in profit. That's good. So if you guys want, I'm gonna post the YouTube video that I set up this campaign in the description below, and I'm also gonna put the Click Magic link in the description below so you guys can see how to set it up and what the tools you need. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below so everybody can see it. We're a whole community. Everybody can help each other out. In the meanwhile, you guys have a good day.